Hi friends. Today we're here with 7 things to do at home for not getting bored. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Number 1. Creative photography. For those who don't know what it is, I'll show you some examples. So, here we can see some pictures which can make you understand what it is. Okay, now let's come back. It's simple than you think. You just need a camera to take pictures. It can be your mobile phone or reflex. You can use anything you want. The secret is in capturing the small and simple things around you. You may adjust the position of the objects to look better and click. That's it. Try to grow the observation power and creativity in you. Number 2. Cooking. Cooking is one of the best ways to spend time in a productive way. First, search for something you would like to prepare. A delicious meal for your family, some sweets or even a good cake. There are a lot of online sites like allrecipes.com to get your recipe. Prepare a delicious meal for your family. And thank me later. Number 3. Childhood movies. Watching movies may be boring sometimes. Sometimes it can be difficult to make a decision about which movie to watch. The best option will be watching all your childhood movies one after another. For example, if you search for Disney movies, you can find many titles. Even if you don't have movie channel subscriptions, you can easily find them on various sites. Number 4. Make a list. Search online for beautiful places on Earth to visit. And make a list of places you would like to visit. By doing so, you would discover the existence of various places. And you learn about various cultures around the world. Make a to-do list and organize your days. Order brings a good change in your life. Number 5. Online courses. Do some online courses and get certificates for completing them. If you do so, it'll be useful to create a good-looking resume or CV. You'll appreciate this decision later. There are sites like Udemy, Coursera and other platforms who offer various courses. Try to filter the courses by free if you don't want to pay for them. Keep learning always. Number 6. Start reading a book. Make a list of books you would like to read and start reading. If possible by today itself. You can order books online or download them as ebooks. Or just write the name of the book and add the word PDF in the search bar. If you're lucky, you can find the book in PDF version for free. Beware of not sharing your personal information with malicious sites. Number 7. Write a blog. Blogging forces you to teach yourself what you don't know and to articulate what you do know. When you begin writing a blog post, you are forced to organize your thoughts. According to the 1% rule, only 1% of internet users actively create new content, while the other 99% are just viewers. By blogging, you separate yourself from the 99% of people that don't blog. Standing out is essential in these days. If you want to publish them online, then blogger.com is the best way. Free and simple. Thanks for watching. Tag me on Instagram if you want me to share your pictures. Subscribe to the channel for more tips. Let's see next time with another interesting video. Have a good day.